Hi everyone! Today I'm presenting my initial investment portfolio analysis using Gcash. In collaboration with AI, this report covers my current holdings, risk profile, and fund performance as of March 2026. Looking at my profile, you can see I am fully verified Gcash user. Verification is a crucial first step for any investor in this ecosystem as it unlocks the invest features and ensures account security. Moving to my investment dashboard, my current total portfolio value is 49.99 pesos. While this is the modest start, the goal here is to demonstrate the process of micro investing. My assets are currently concentrated in G funds, which is a great entry point for beginners because it allows for low capital diversification. Drilling down into the specific product, I have chosen the Atram Peso Money Market Fund. As you can see on the screen, this is classified as a conservative investment. Over the past year, it has shown a steady return of 3.48%. This fund is designed to preserve capital while providing better returns than a standard bank savings account. Looking at the technicals, my total unit stand at 0.3933 with a net asset value per unit of 127.11 pesos. In my consultation with AI, we noted that my risk appetite is currently set to conservative. The AI pointed out that while this fund is very safe, investing primarily in Philippine government securities and corporate bonds, it may not beat high inflation over a long period. However, as an initial analysis, this is an excellent park and grow strategy for emergency funds to short-term savings. And finally, the fund overview confirms that the minimum investment is only 50 pesos, making it highly accessible. My next step will be to monitor the 3.48% return rate and eventually explore moderate risk funds to further diversify my portfolio. That's all. Thank you for watching.